Hello. Okay, today let's talk about my new project. This new project, I am super excited over because it's a departure from what I've been doing. So it's neither modern contemporary, nor modern luxe, nor Scandi, nor Japanese, semi, also not any of these. So I also don't know how to define it, but I can only loosely summarize it as like a little beach dance club kind of a setting. Because the 重点 is the brief to me is very challenging. This house has to be a home by the day, and it can transform into a club by night time. Club as in Zouk like kind of club not the Biang disco type it's the Zouk atas kind of club. So I find the brief very funny, but yet it's challenging, and my job is to rise to the challenge, you know. So yeah, so I have already come up with the design and it has been approved. My job now is to materialize it. So this house in the living room, I can't show you the visuals because then ultimately no surprise already ma. But 重点 is for the living room, right, we are going to clad the walls, one side of the walls with concrete panel. Not real concrete panel, but full concrete panel. Means not real lah, gay one lah. But at the same time, carpentry and all that, right, will also be in cement concrete kind of laminate. So with plants and all, right, then the whole place will be very chill already. Plus the other side will be brick wall lah. So while it's chill and cool, right, it will also be cozy. A bit hard for you all to imagine, but rest assured that it will be interesting. Or rather, Aikaki think is interesting lah, you know. Aikaki design, of course, Aikaki got to think is interesting. If not, I won't put forth already ma. So so today I am going to go and find, or rather go and see for myself the material, the actual color, actual size, so that I can have a better idea of how it will look when translated onto the walls. I don't want to propose something that Akaki have not seen it yet. Then I cannot grasp the extent and the look and feel ma. So I want to have a very clear idea. Hence, later I'll be going down to see it. Okay, see the different colors, 3 different colors, assess which is most suitable, and in terms of size also, whether I'm going by the super big square ones or the smaller rectangular ones, etc. etc. So will be interesting. Then yeah, so the club feel okay, how do I explain club feel So at night when it's disco time we will have interesting lights, but it's not the orbit KTV kind the kim kim, then the doonch 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 doonch, not that kind. But I want nicer colors, like nicer hues of purples and blues and greens and pinks, etc. Not the red like RGB like red green yellow, blue, those kind yucks. Yeah, so later we'll go and see. Hopefully I can find the perfect one. Then that'll be. So I can't wait to show you the rest. Now we're already prepping the rooms and stuff.
我们唔使你哋變得水啊嘛。 tabletop 哈，係用刀。我已經調啦，你 tabletop，你 tabletop 係很雜嘅，你中午鐵燉嘛。我相信啦，伊當你是大料的，算大料啊，你若是講，安那幾多件啊，是啊，伊是對方不得起了的，都對方得起了啊，對方得起兩幫人咧，人家用個插，插嘅幫我，伊對我都出去哦，哦咧，你來講那個，對於做的放那個，先，安那麼。
Okay.
Yeah, lor. Change the colour. Show like that.
But can it auto change?
Auto change with music.
Not don't need to go with the beat of the music, but it got to change like according like this.
Like that.